Alright, so before this video starts, your boy just unboxed 15 crazy t-shirts. I want to get this video up to 40 likes, maybe 15 comments. I appreciate you guys for all the love in the last video, so let's try to, kill it on this one. Maybe I'll do a giveaway for my birthday. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. You guys have a good day, stay safe out there, and enjoy the video. Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Fuck bro, I'm just joking. Yo, it's Gucci everybody on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in back to another video on this channel. And this video is going to be an unboxing. Your boy was able to find this on a app that I was using, and I was able to come to an agreement to pay $250 for this whole box. Honestly, there's like 15 t-shirts in here. Your boy mainly bought this just to make profit off of and hopefully put on bflakessupply. So you guys are killing it with the bflakessupply orders. Hopefully you guys enjoy what's in this box because most of it will be on the web store starting Monday, I believe I'm gonna put them up. So let's just get into it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing. So let's just start off with the small bag and then we'll hop into the big box. Honestly, I'm kind of nervous to open this just because it might be a little too good to be true type of deal. But hopefully I didn't get scammed on this box. But I do know what's in this first bag, and I'm super excited to show you guys this and put it up on the web store when it does go up. They have the yellow bagging. I don't know why they would do that, but hey, appreciate the bagging and stuff like that. So throw that away. But here so with the first pickup, I was able to purchase this 2000 championship Laker t-shirt. This is a size large, so hopefully it fits me the way I would like it to. If not, this will go up on the web store for sure. But I hate to see this one go if I do end up letting it go. But yeah, so your boy was able to purchase this for a steal. I low-key lowballed the seller just because based off of his profile picture, he didn't really seem like he knew what he was doing. So I purchased this for $20. And it's pretty much brand new. There's no holes, there's no tears. It's like no vintage wash. It's actually super clean. It's like brand new. For it to be 20 years old of a t-shirt, I'm super excited about the condition on this one. And it's just beautiful. You know, when Kobe passed, this shirt is kind of worth more to me just because I'm a Laker fan. But yeah, I don't know. This is crazy. So shout out to the seller on that for meeting me kind of in the middle. I just felt like it was kind of me being a dick not telling you guys how much I paid for this. But I paid $20 for this. So if anyone wanted to know how much I paid for it, there you guys go. $20 plus shipping. So I was like, all right. So here's the big box. I paid $250 for whatever was in this box, like I said. Hopefully it's not too good to be true and I get scammed and all these shirts are like not in good condition. So based off what the seller put in his description as far as what these shirts were, they were slightly used. Most of them were brand new with tag and then in all good condition. So hopefully this isn't like a scam where all the shirts are like all jacked up and stuff. So let's just see what's in this box. I'll start the unboxing for you guys right now. I'm a little nervous about this one, to be honest. So let's just see what happens. Based off what I'm seeing right now, most of it is in packaging as far as it being in the plastic. So what's in this box? I mainly purchased this box for bflakessupply. So if you guys are interested in it, go ahead and check out the web store on April 13th. Most of these items will be up on there. So let's just go into it. I see packaging, very nice packaging on the t-shirts. So let's just see. All right, so there's bundles on bundles on bundles. I was able to bundle this all together for a nice little purchase for myself and the web store. So here's the first bundle. Here's another couple t-shirts and then three t-shirts in this bag. And then more t-shirts right here. And then another box. Man, there's hella t-shirts in here. I am super stoked. So let's just kick that box over there. The person was nice enough to leave a note and it said thank you for your purchase. So shout out to that person on the app that I bought this off of. So we'll just start off with this bag first. I was able to purchase 15 t-shirts for $250. Let me know if this was a steal. Let me know what you guys think about it. But I am trying to profit off of this, so we'll see what happens. This seems like the t-shirts that were brand new without the tag, maybe slightly worn a little bit, but they do look brand new. As you guys can see, these are all undefeated t-shirts. So the first undefeated t-shirt, you have a size large. All of these, I believe, are a size large, to be honest. So if you guys are interested in sizing, these are all size large. But yeah, so undefeated sports t-shirt, graphic on the back. I'm just gonna go through these really quickly. And then you have the same one but in green. So if you think about it, all these t-shirts retail for like 30 plus. and I'm gonna probably put them up on the web store for like $25, I don't know. So I'm just showing you guys the first bundle. Like the first two t-shirts were the same but different colors. It's the Undefeated sporting shirts, and then I have the OG Undefeated logo in blue, front and back. Nice little t-shirt. I love this one. I might keep this one for myself, low-key. And then I have a nice little red / solar red. I'm not too sure what color this is, but it says Undefeated up front and then nothing on the back. So I told you guys most of these t-shirts are Undefeated t-shirts. But some of them are collaborations. So with this collaboration, it's Undefeated and FTP. These shirts kind of go for a lot on StockX, so I'm super excited about that because I know I can make some profit off of that as well. So as you guys can see, you have the key with the sad face, Undefeated FTP tag, size large, and then on the back you have the Undefeated FTP with the nice graphic on the back. I believe this collaboration came out like a couple months ago. So I'm kind of confused on this next t-shirt. It seems like an employee only type of t-shirt just because it's on a A-style tag. It has Undefeated Union, Born and Raised, Anti-Social Club, all that stuff right here, as you guys can see. If you guys have any like information on this t-shirt, let me know. But as far as it being, I don't know how much it's worth, so yeah, this is crazy. So this is a nice t-shirt, nice little branding on it, and then on the back it says Toy Drive 19, so it seems like it came out last year. But hey, so shout out to that person for throwing this one in. Crazy t-shirt. And then last but not least, in this bundle, it's just another random Undefeated tag, size large, official product. And then I think it's Rocky on the staircase. I'm not too sure what this one is, but yeah, so with the next t-shirts, I would like to keep these in the bag just because I feel like, you know, it holds value, better value for the t-shirts and stuff like that. I'll pop up photos as far as what they are. This one I might just take out of the bag, I'm not too sure, but it says Undefeated is life. It has the basketball, and as you guys can see, it retailed for $36, which I'm sure most of these t-shirts did. And then these two, you have the Undefeated FTP collaborations. It says fuck, and then you have the Undefeated logo. Very nice branding. And I know it had a front and back. I'm not too sure if it, I don't know, I'll look for photos. If it does have a front and back graphic, I'll show you guys. But both of these are size large, and I believe these go for like $100 on StockX last time I checked. So I have another bundle for you guys. This one was tossed in a bundle of 3. You have the Stussy Los Angeles t-shirt. This comes with the tag but no packaging. So you have Stussy right here, Stussy LA, and then on the back it says Stussy Los Angeles. Super nice. I like this a lot. I wonder if it has the retail on it. No, it doesn't, but it does have the tag. And then you have the same t-shirt, I believe, in black. Yeah, so there you guys go. Black and white, Stussy Los Angeles. And then the best t-shirt in this package was this Stussy Stussy Cactus Plant Flea Market collab. This shirt goes for $100 on StockX too, which is insane. Looking at this t-shirt, I might keep this one for myself. I don't want to like keep this stuff for myself. I want to like share the wealth, share it with you guys, but keeping this stuff for myself would be too many t-shirts. But some of these are kind of fire, like this Cactus Plant Flea Market one, super clean, and it comes with tags still. So, but yeah, like I said, on StockX, this goes for like $100. I'm not too sure. That's when I checked when I bought this, but honestly, I did not think this was gonna be this beautiful. With these t-shirts, I feel like this pack will go for like $60 to $100 each, just because of whose name is on it. But you have the 808 and Heartbreak t-shirt from Kanye West in 2015. This was the Hollywood Bowl, I believe. Yeah, so 808 Heartbreak, tag, size large. There you guys go, Hollywood Bowl. You have the front graphic, which this is the nice little thing, and then on the back it says 808 and Heartbreak. This is the tan one, short sleeve, and then they threw in a long sleeve. This one's really nice, dude. So there you guys go, same little thing, Kanye 808 Heartbreak 2015, September 25th and 26th. And then you have the same little tag printing right there, so it is official, not a reprint. And then on the back you have the same thing. So this one's the long sleeve. This one I'll probably put for a little more just because it is a long. So all in all, after showing you guys all the t-shirts, 15 t-shirts later, I have a crazy stack of tees on my bed right now. It's super messy, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys think it was a scam. Me personally, I don't think I got scammed. I feel like I got my money's worth just because some of these t-shirts can go for $100 each. Like, yet alone, like if I sell these 3 t-shirts for $100 each, I will make my money back already. So I'm super excited about that. And then also I know these Kanye t-shirts go for a lot. So shout out to the seller for whoever sold me this t-shirt that I found, this packaging, this pack or whatever, this bundle. Yeah, super crazy. I'm like shocked right now. My hair is nasty, by the way. So that wraps it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Let's try and get this video up to 50 likes, maybe 15 comments. You guys have been killing it with the love lately. So thank you guys so much. If you guys aren't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It means the world to me. Let's grow this channel. We're about to hit 6,300 subscribers. So I appreciate you guys so much. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I always want to say Snapchat, but I don't use Snapchat anymore. So you guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and then obviously YouTube as well. So thank you guys for all the support. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace. All right, you guys, just got done filming the unboxing. If you guys are watching to the end of this video, go ahead and comment undefeated. I appreciate you guys for those who, you know, comment all that stuff that I do at the end of this video and stuff. So comment undefeated. I know your boy needs a haircut. I've been wearing hats and stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good quarantine, you know, staying clean, staying home, whatever the case is. I appreciate you guys for all the love. I'm going to be doing some more talking videos just to, you know, interact with you guys, Q&A, all that good stuff. So yeah, comment undefeated. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. And thank you guys for all the support. Hopefully you guys are doing good out there. Stay positive. This will all be over soon. And yeah, you guys have a good one. Peace. All right, my hair's a mess right now, but in the video I said if it doesn't fit me, I'm not gonna keep it. But unfortunately, I'm gonna keep this t-shirt, guys, so.